This week on Friday Bible Study, we are going to address something that I've seen a lot on social media, and it's something that we need to talk about, which is you shouldn't judge anyone. This is something I have seen all over Instagram. I've seen it on Facebook. I've even seen it in a couple of YouTube comments where basically when people say you shouldn't judge anyone, it comes from a place of not trying to actually say, oh, well, in Matthew 7 it says that you shall not judge, but instead it's coming from a place of you can't criticize anyone. You can't give advice to anyone. And as Christians, we all know there is a difference between judging someone, which is pretty much making fun of someone, or if you're doing the same sin the other person is, and you're calling that out, that's judging, versus giving actual helpful advice and criticism to people because you want to see them not only do better, but you want to see them grow closer to God.